How to change password in Netflix account. So basically, if you want to change password in Netflix account, it is very simple to do so. You can use a Netflix app, or you could also open the browser and just go to netflix.com and you will see this type of interface, right? Now, all you have to do here is to just go to your profile icon and go to the option called account, or you can directly go to netflix.com/account from your browser. From there, right over there under quick links, you might see an option called update password. If you don't find it also, no worries. You just have to go to this option called security right here. From security, here you'll find an option that says password. So you can just hit the password button right there. Now it says protect your account with a unique password at least 6 characters. So if you remember your current password, you can enter your current password, enter the new password, re-enter the new password, and if you want to sign out of all devices, you can hit the save button. If you don't remember your current password, also no issues at all. You can just click on the forgot password button right there. And once done, it will send the verification code to your email. And once you've verified, you will be able to also reset with a new password without having to remember your old password. This way, you'll be able to change your Netflix password. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.